Hello, everybody. It's been a while, and I know I promised I'd get this up sooner, but I couldn't. So this tutorial on the scoop ringtone deal is going to be voice, so it's going to be easier to follow. And in the first scene coming up in a few seconds, I'm going to show you the two ringtones that I made already, and then it's just to prove that you can make more ringtones, just to prove that people that don't believe it wrong. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to venttones.com, www.venttones.com, and you'll want to click sign up or register. I don't remember what it says. I've been a member for such a long time. So after you make an account, you want to log in. After you log in, you want to click create ringtone. You want to click browse, and from browse you'll go to where your MP3s are. It could be a specific folder or whatever, but here's my desktop, and I'm going to use Framing Hanley's version of Lollipop by Lil Wayne. Cover song, very good song. Click upload. Bar will come up. It'll show process. I'm just gonna skip ahead here and alright. So as soon as it's done, you'll give it a name, title. You'll select where you want it in the song, and as soon as you figure it out, you can press play and stop, but as soon as you figure out create tone as soon as you're done. Might take a little while. If you have a scoop, okay, well, first of all, actually you want to read what it says here. It's been created. Go through here. You'll want to click the box, the check box that I'm going to, right there. If you have a scoop, it tells you to check the box, so you want to check it and then go down to send tone. After you click send tone, you should get a text on your scoop that says that it has been sent, but you can't receive it. So what you'll have to do is get on your scoop and go to the internet and type in the URL that was on the page. And it's sending and receiving, and there you go. It's downloading the ringtone right now. Honestly, never thought I would find a site that actually worked for the scoop, but it'll say it saved your media. You'll want to end the call, because obviously it takes up minutes. And you'll want to go to your menu, media, audio, You'll want to go to audio, ringtones, and there it is. Oops, got a text. There you have it. So for all the haters out there that don't believe this site is real, guess I just proved you wrong, because I only had two ringtones before I created this one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.